Welcome to Under the Rare Microscope, where we use our big brains and we ask, yeah, but what does science really think about that? Early on, most of us were taught that every cell in our bodies carries the exact same DNA, but for chimeras, that's not the case. Chimerism happens when two embryos fuse together in the womb, creating one person with two completely different genetic blueprints. It's like being your own twin combined into one body, and the results, well, they break everything we think we knew about genetics. Let's talk about some real cases that have left doctors and scientists speechless. First one, a woman took a DNA test to prove she was the biological mother of her kids. I mean, I think she would know. And the test came back that she wasn't. Her ovaries had different DNA than the rest of her body, meaning the DNA test was looking at her blood, not her reproductive cells. Her kids were hers. They just got DNA from a part of her body that carried a different genetic code. Then you have a man who went to donate blood, and doctors found out that his blood has two different types in two different parts of his body. His immune system was literally built from two separate DNA sets. And then case number 3, some chimeras absorb a twin of the opposite sex in the womb, meaning their body is a mix of male and female DNA. And in some cases, this does affect physical traits, reproductive organs, or how your cells function. So here's the craziest part to me. Most chimeras never even know it. Because unless you take a very specific kind of DNA test, you'd have no way of knowing that some of your cells are completely different from the rest. And since standard DNA tests only check one part of the body, someone could go their entire lives never realizing that they actually have two sets of DNA, meaning there could be way more chimeras walking around than we think. I have 2 spleens. Why not 2 sets of DNA? So this breaks so many rules we thought we understood, and it actually raises a lot of questions about DNA testing. Can we even trust a single sample? Or in medicine, could some chimeras reject organ transplants from themselves? Chimerism is living proof that genetics aren't as simple as one person, one set of DNA. It is way more chaotic and way more fascinating at what can actually happen given the opportunity of chance. All right, I have to know, did you already know about chimeras, or is your mind blown? And be honest, do you kind of want to get tested now? Because I do. All right, let's talk in the comments. I would love it if you would interact from the bottom up. I would love a like. Please follow. And as always, stay rare.